everything is in place through my AAA place. And these walls are so high, but my blood is a race, and these currents whirling around so rough. What the hell is bringing me down? I've lost everything for something I found. I found love doesn't come and leave, but stays there like a dove. I found love with more anything that you can never touch. I found everything I've ever need, a house of gold, nothing to me. I found love doesn't come and leave like a plane, 'cause I found you. I found you. Great, now all the other guys are calling my name, but to be honest it's too complicated to explain, because it takes away the pain but it brings back the same. I wanna turn around and go insane, but nay, some days it brings me rage, and other days it smells as good as sage. But it's like I feel in my graph ain't the same every day. Please, just let me free from your cage. Yeah, so many people with limited personalities, and all the winnings are free. So it's like a monopoly. People lay down and rest momentarily and walk back into something that we haven't seen. I may be insignificant within space and time, but I'd like to have fun and improve my life. I'm as happy as can be, and I have something that you cannot see. It don't exist unless you believe. I